What's up everybody, I don't know say about choppaling. Alright then, this is a collaboration between me and Cov B Comedy, you see me? I wanna go check it out, link again in the description, you see me? Yeah. Remember, follow him on Instagram, and you can follow him too. Yeah, it's in the description, same way. So, before I jump in the video, I beg you to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the post notification bell. That's when I drop a next banger video, you can be notified. I drop a link, comment them myself. And see the video. Yeah, I talk too much. Jump in the video.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till shadow turns to sun rays, and on and on.
Who that come bother me in the early morning? You say, oh man, I want to sleep, man.
Your grandfather, no me man. Me your grandson man. Yeah man. Now, man for go back to school and them thing. Them want the little fear for and little lunch money for go back to school. Cause grandfather right now back to school I come from and I'm pregnant. I don't know when I go to your grandfather. I swear I just don't know when I go to right now. You see me? I just, you want to help me now and see what I can do. You see me? So, just get back to me now. But, you're good though, grandfather. You see me? You're good. I just want to know say you're good, man. You see? Just see if you can help me, man. And when you start out, I start out. You see me? Alright.
Grandson, long time you don't talk to me, come like a dash old man, so. Oh, of course, don't worry, man, I help you, man. I'm old enough, but I still have something on me. Never let go of your age, man. You say reach my age. Yeah, man, learn everything you have to learn. Alright, later to talk to your grandson, later to talk to you.
I that my brother did. Over the same yard, my little niece, and my nephew have run out of the yard for your face, them drama.